Okay, I don't know what the blue flags are. Now we have blue flags. They only were up there. Blue flags here. So it does have something to do with the pipeline. That's why these cones are out here, but the blue flags are only up there. Alright, we'll see what happens. Steve AB4L, just being nosy about the water pipeline or whatever, saying see you at 73.